again.
On the D-pad?
Yeah, I want to shoot you in the D-pad.
You're gonna miss.
We are not waiting for you. What are you doing? You're not. Dude! Get the fuck out of here! That is so going on that! No, dude, he had his fucking goggles like all the way up here. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Dude, that's not a bad idea. You can put a camera on your goggles.
Bro, on your bag. I don't know.
You guys are wearing gloves and I'm not holding my bare hands.
Whatever, okay? You show off. Okay, come on.
Yeah, I said that's definitely worth it.
Oh, dude, I'm taking a piss! Alright,
Out.
let's go. Dude, come on.
Well, guys, this is the best squad ever.
Dude, I can use this shit as a
Get pounded. Warming up the piggies.
What's that cooler? Right on, let's go fucking.
Definitely a German. You want to come
I cannot figure out how to put this in. I'm pretty sure that's Russian.
Oh, yeah.
And that's 12.
See, puppy.
See, puppy, see.
No, dude.
I can just see it coming.
Yeah, you jinxed us.
No, you just
Come on! What the fuck? Dude, honestly, instead of making gameplays, we should just do like airsoft funny moments today.